Hello, I hope this video finds you well. Tonight we are going to look at has23 from list 1, and this is a Python solution. The problem states, given an int array length 2, return true if it contains 2 or a 3. And we can see here, if we have 2, 5, it returns true, because there's a 2, 4, 3, true, because there's a 3, and 4, 5 is false, no 2 or 3. So all we have to do is take each element and check if it's a 2 or it's a 3. So let's start like this. We're going to use just an if statement. We're going to say if nums at 0 is equivalent to 2 or nums at 1 is equivalent to 2, we're going to return true. And then we're going to say elif nums at 0 is equivalent to 3 or nums at 1 is equivalent to 3, we're going to return true. And if neither of those work, we're going to return false. And there we go. So this is one way to approach this. Again, it's giving us the length of 2, so we only have indexes 0 and 1, and this is an OR operator. Now, we could tighten this up a little bit. What we could do here is, instead of writing this as an else if, what we could do is we could take this here. Actually, let's do this. Let's say approach 1, and then we'll comment it out. So let's take this and tighten this up a bit by taking this and putting it in the same conditional statement. So if we just take this whole thing here, and let's copy it and paste it down below. This can be used because this is an else if attached to it, I can use an OR statement and just extend that if statement. So let's get rid of this. Let's come back to here, put an OR statement there, and then hit go, and notice how that works as well. Now, the last thing you might want to notice here in our third approach is, if you've been following along with me, and this is my last list 1, which is kind of nice, but I'm on to list 2 next, is if that Boolean expression evaluates to true, we return true, otherwise we return false. So I can just take this entire expression and return that. And there it goes. Because, again, this is a Boolean expression, and if it evaluates to true, I get true, I return true. If it evaluates to false, I return false. I hope that video helped. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.